First, buksan ang Loadlana application at i-click ang Wallet-to-Wallet button. I-click ang Send LNW Requirements KYC button at siguraduhin na connected ka sa internet o naka-mobile data ka. And i-click ang OK button. Piliin ang account type kung ikaw ay dealer o retailer at i-click ang Next button. Mag-fill up at ilagay ang iyong last name, first name, middle initial, registered Loadlana number, email address, business type, business address, city or municipality, province, region, at mag-upload ng video habang sinasabi ang petsa or current date, buong pangalan including middle initial, complete address, at dapat hawak ang valid ID sa video ng applicant.
Good morning! Ngayon ay Miyerkules, July 1, 2020. Ang pangalan ko ay Joanna de la Cruz, nakatira sa 143 Mapagmahal Street, Barangay Tinago, Igao City, Albay.
Send photo of storefront or house front photo, photo of valid ID, selfie photo holding valid ID, select type of ID presented, photo of your business certificate or business permit issued on 2020. At pagkatapos mo mag-fill up ng form, i-check ang I agree sa terms and conditions and i-click ang submit.